Welcome to the Friends of Hamilton Airport and thank you for coming. My name is Chris Stokes and I'm the Chief Executive, and it's my pleasure here to welcome you today to our day, to your terminal, to our owners, the 5 councils, the 5 shareholding councils of Hamilton City and the district councils of Waipa, Matamata-Piako, Waikato and Otahuanga. Thank you to you for coming today too.
This is no ordinary regional airport. This is an international airport, and again pioneering, the first one to break out of the monopoly of Auckland, Wellington and Christchurch to be an international airport. And that of course justifies the $15.5 million which your board on behalf of the shareholder councils has invested in the upgrade. And what you now have is a fit-for-purpose, purpose-designed international terminal. That means not only the expanded check-in areas for both the domestic and the international passengers, but also meeting all those requirements for border security and processing. And they get ever more onerous as we meet the international standards for border screening. And of course the expansion includes the larger quarantine area for MAF to do their vital biosecurity work, and nowhere can that be more important than in the Waikato, heartland of so much of our dairy industry and of course very important horse breeding industry. Overall, front of house is important. First impressions count. This airport is the gateway for domestic passengers from all over New Zealand, and it's the gateway to New Zealand for passengers on the Trans-Tasman flights. It's all part of the Waikato and New Zealand offering a world-class welcome to visitors with a spanking new appearance to the terminal. So congratulations to Jerry and the board and the shareholder councils on what you've achieved here at the airport. This is the latest of many chapters of what's been a long journey from a little strip to an international airport. And I wish you well in your efforts to persuade more international flights to come into Hamilton, and I'm sure the upgrade can only be very, very positive in that respect when the airlines see the kind of welcome which can be laid on at a terminal facilities like these. So, it's now my great pleasure, I guess, I can see the clerk there, to move generally in that direction, Chris, generally in that direction. Pulling off the plaque, announce the refurbished, upgraded, spanking new Hamilton Airport Terminal formally open.